VeChain is right now at this very interesting demand area, but will we finally see the bullish breakout or do we consolidate even more? In this video, I will talk about VeChain and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about VeChain, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So after VeChain's bullish price increase, we then came into this last supply zone. And after the supply zone, we saw this massive crash to lower levels. We then came all the way down into this last demand zone, which was the start of this bullish push. And here we saw quite bullish price action because we came into the zone, saw this liquidity sweeps right here, saw this bullish increase, then we made a lower low, but we also saw this wick right here, which indicates that we are taking some liquidity, which was resting here. We saw a bullish price action, but till now we didn't saw the real bullish explosion. But right now the chance increases that we are seeing higher prices because we had this high right here, retested this last lows and saw this slightly higher high. So this indicates some bullish interest. And if real big players want to push the price to the upside, then we have to see now higher prices, because if the price doesn't go to the upside, then the chance is really high that we are sweeping again this lows, consolidate even more and maybe break this last demand zone to the downside. But if we are now going to the upside, then this indicates that here is bullish interest, that big players come into the market and that we can see the real bullish explosion. So if I would be on the sideline right now, I would either go into a long position right here, buy some spot positions for VeChain, or I would wait if we are breaking this last highs to the upside, maybe retest it. It would be a perfect chance to get into another spot position or into a leverage trade. And of course, if we're breaking this last high right here, because from this high we saw this deeper pullback into this demand zone, if we're breaking this one to the upside, then we are clearly in a bullish daily structure again. And this would indicate that we are seeing the bullish breakout to the upside. And then the next very interesting zone, of course, is this last supply zone. And if we are also breaking this last supply zone to the upside, then we are clearly in a bullish structure on the weekly time frame again. And then this chart looks extremely bullish, because in 2021, we saw this increase. We retested this last demand zone, saw this bullish increase. Now we made a higher low, and if we are now going to the upside again, breaking this last high, then we are clearly in a bullish structure on a weekly time frame, and then the chance is really high that we will see the real bullish explosion. And as I said, if we are breaking this last supply zone, then this purple highs are the next very interesting price targets. We have this 9-cent price target right here, this important high. Then we have this high right here at nearly 18 cents, and of course the all-time high at 27 cents. And just from the price right now to the last all-time high, we would have potential over 1,100%, which is extremely good for a big coin like VeChain. So I'm personally really happy if you're reaching this last all-time high, or if you're also reaching this last high. Of course, the chance is there that we could see even higher prices. But I think because we are consolidating even more and VeChain is not a shiny object anymore in this bull run, I think the chance is high that we'll reach this last all-time high, maybe slightly higher prices, but I will not think that we'll see massive higher prices than the last all-time high. But if you are right now buying VeChain, or if you bought VeChain in this bear market, then you might make really nice profits if you sell your coins here or at this last high. So as I said, now it's really important that we are breaking this last highs to the upside. Then the chance increases immensely that we are going to this high. And if we are breaking this one to the upside, then we are clearly in a bullish structure. And I think the chance is high that we can see a bullish explosion. Just if we are now breaking this last low and especially this last demand zone to the downside, then the chance is high that we will see even lower prices. But if we now see higher prices, and if Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is also pumping to the upside, then of course the chance is high that VeChain will also see even higher prices. And if you're searching for exchange to trade VeChain, you can use Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees. And with my link, you get 20% trading fee rebate on top. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.